What? He's crazy. Yes.
have a funky colour. Doesn't have a funky colour or pattern. Instead, just being nice and dark is a good way for them to stay safe up in the treetops at night time. Now the things, that's right. Nice and gentle, guys, I'll come along to you. What we're about to do is go for a walk through our bushland where we're going to make a stop and meet another animal. But on our way around past
and he's ready to go at any time when we ask him to. Now we really appreciate you all coming down to Toronga and Seals for the Wild today. I'll stay where you are because our seals and trainers will be out to say their final farewells. But don't forget, choose MC. Which one's this go? Yeah, that one. And you too can be a champion for the wild. Now, they're coming out to say their final farewells and I'll be out to answer any questions. But I hope you have a great day at Toronga. Bye for now.
Well, anyone with sharp enough eyes might have seen Stella passing that food from her feet to her beak. And feeding on the wing like that's a really energy efficient way of getting a feed. These birds can often be found numbering into the thousands. Hey, you're Mr. Raven. Now you'll be able to find kites like this around fishing ports, abattoirs, maybe even the local tip. She's pretty amazing, hey? Well, we got one more bit of food for Stella when she comes back around. Up it goes! Nice! Just stops for a snack before heading off. Love it. Well, while we've been spending our time looking up, many birds spend their time looking down. They're all searching for different opportunities to feed. And an emu egg, like this one here, it's going to be the ultimate prize for Australia's third large. You might be quite familiar with these sulphur-crested cockatoos and perhaps even the galahs as well. Due to farms and dams creating extra food and water resources, they're one of the few species that have actually managed to thrive. Unfortunately, not can be said for all of our species.
As we are expanding our towns and our cities, we do make a lot of changes to the local landscape, like Chris was saying. This species relies on tree hollows in order to survive. They use them as safe places to rest, to nest, and a safe place to raise their chicks. But these trees are becoming harder for them to find.
Well, this handsome bird's name is Giri Giri, and it means very red.